Hello friends, welcome to this new video. This is Ishan Nair from TechCheater.com. In this video, I'll be telling you how to buy AAVE crypto coins. AAVE or Lend, both are same. Previously, I think around 2 years back, I purchased Lend coins from a friend, and that too for around $100. Now the coins are priced approximately, it's around, if I'm not wrong, more than 500 times. So this is the power of Lend. So I'll not cover the details why the Lend is growing up or growing down. I'll not go in these details. I'll just simply tell you how to buy this particular coin. See, there are multiple exchanges, and every exchange will give you commission for getting new users. Suppose if I'm referring you to a particular exchange, then I'll be getting commission from that. And commissions are almost same. But to be very honest, I'll just recommend you the best crypto exchange. Let it be Coinbase, let it be Binance or anything. There are many exchanges, but personally I prefer Binance. And it is very important to know that when you visit Binance link, you have to visit, either you have to bookmark it or you have to visit through official sources. So this is website buycryptocoin.org. This is the best platform to go and purchase crypto coins. This will give you the best guidance, and personally I've experienced that they are quite honest with their reviews, so you can trust them. So when you go to this website, you can simply bookmark buycryptocoin.org, and from here you can search for any coin and they will guide you. Mostly they'll recommend you Binance itself. And for proceeding to buy the cryptocurrency AAVE, what you have to do is, first you have to create your account on Binance. When you create your account on Binance, you have to go from this link. Then you have to provide your email ID and password. And referral ID, this is optional, so this is embedded here, and this is this buycryptocoin.org referral ID, so you have to use this. This will be helpful for me and for buycryptocoin.org as well if you're registering from here. And when you provide these details, when you move to the next step, they will ask you to set up Google Authenticator. You can skip it, but I'll recommend you to opt for that. This will give you an extra security over there. So now after you are registered on Binance, it will not ask you for KYC below if your transactions are below 2 BTC or 3 BTC. So for smaller transactions, you can just simply create the account and proceed with the sale and purchase of the coins. So once your account is ready, what you have to do is you have to go to the Binance. I'll go to Binance app here, and here it will give me Lend. This is some cryptocurrency of my colleague and whose device I'm using. So what you have to do is you can either trade it in these 4 coins. So I'll simply select BTC, and when I put BTC and I say I select P2P, it will give me an option to pay from my bank itself. Currently, if I'm not having any crypto coin here, I can opt bank and I can proceed for the payment. This is P2P, and if I have to purchase directly from the exchange, I have to put a particular amount. If I want to purchase 500 Lend, and this is the price which I'm quoting, 6601, and see, you can see the sellers are at 6593. So I'll put 6 below that, 6593 or 94, whatever you want to quote, you can quote, and then click on buy Lend. Currently I'm not making any transactions, so that's it. Once you do this, the coins will be credited to your virtual wallets. This is the virtual wallet. Currently in this particular account, this is having Lend, XRP and BTC. So this is the wallet which is virtual. So whichever coin you purchase, it will be deposited here. So this is free to use, and this is the best exchange which I have ever used till date. This is my personal experience, and I'll recommend it to you. And if you have any questions, you can just simply drop down your comments below. I'll get back to you. And do like to my video and do subscribe to my channel. It will definitely help me with money as well, and it will motivate me as well. But thank you.